Hi, I'm Yadla Sadhwika, and I'd love to share my amazing journey as data science intern with IntrnForte. Over the past few weeks, I've had the opportunity to dive deep into the real world data science problems from data cleaning, analysis, and visualization. The mentorship and hands on projects truly helped me understand how the data drives, especially how decision making is done. I worked with tools like Python, Pandas, NumPy, and even got to explore machine learning algorithms and model evaluation techniques as well. Intern4 provided not just a learning environment but also space to grow, to understand mistakes, and improve, all while building a solid foundation for my future career in data science. A big thank you to the entire team at Intern4 for this opportunity. Thank you.